Ooh, that's decent. What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. I'm playing around with the lighting here, so I might change this for the next video. But anyways, today's the day I decided get that right, focus, 4 videos per week. We were doing 3, we're upping it to 4. Super pumped about that. There's a lot of content that I want to film. This is what I'm thinking. Let me know in the comments what you think down below. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this freaking, hold up. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you think. For the 4 videos, I'm thinking I do one more mental health type stuff, because if you haven't already, checked out that previous video where I talk about depression. I want to do 2 like informative, motivational, like short little videos, and then I want to do the series videos. So the series going on right now is the personal brand series, and I'm going to get into like a social media marketing, affiliate marketing, all that kind of stuff. Let me know what you guys, let me know what you guys think, because you guys are the ones watching this. So here we go. So today's topic, a white piece of paper, but I'm going to play around. Title, and put the title right there, is investing in yourself. Okay, guys? I'm a big advocate in investing in yourself, whether it be time, money, or just going out there and experiencing stuff. That's a good point right there. That's good. I am a huge advocate, like I said. I've invested in multiple courses. I've invested in mentors with like coaching calls. I've invested in books. I've invested my time into watching YouTube videos, into learning, to doing all those kind of stuff. And to me, investing in yourself is the best thing that you can do to better your future. It comes down to as simple as that. Invest in yourself, because it is your future, and if you invest in it, whether it be time or money, you can better your future. Now, I know a lot of you're gonna say, I don't have the money to invest in yourself to buy courses. No problem at all. So many other solutions. So, you're on YouTube right now because you're watching this video. Search up how to make money, how to do this, whatever the topic is. There is free information out there. Dedicate yourself, invest 10 minutes of your day to better your future and watch those videos. Now, if you can, it's a good idea. I recommend buying books. Just a sec. So, when I was talking about books, I picked up 3 new books recently. Managing Oneself, 25 Sales Habits of Highly Successful Sales People, and the Little Book of Clarity. So far, I've read bits and pieces of each book. They're really, really good so far. I really enjoy them. And the best part is, if you can't afford to buy a book, because all of them, I think 3 books cost me almost like $50. If you can't afford that, no problem. Google. You might not be able to find the books, but you can find PDFs, you can find articles, you can find blog posts, you can find everything out there on the internet for free. Okay? For free. So, like I said, if you don't have the money, you're watching YouTube, you can read some books, you can find stuff online. There's so many options. Now, if you're at the stage in your life where you're able to invest in some courses, you're able to invest in a mentor, I highly recommend doing it, because you can get to your goal, you can get to where you want a lot faster by paying for that information. So myself, taking courses, paying for mentors, I've gotten to where I want much faster than I would have just reading books or watching YouTube videos. However, you don't need to do that. Now, if you are interested, I've taken a lot of course. Hit me up for some course recommendations. Send me a message, like comment it on YouTube in the comments, or send me a DM on Instagram, and I'd be more than happy to share my opinion. If you're thinking about a course, I've heard a lot of things from people I know, as well as a lot of bad things, and which one's good, which one's bad, all that kind of stuff. So send me a message. And I also do coaching. If you want to set up a free like 15-20 minute call, I'll put that link in the bio. I think it's 20 minutes, or in the description, just so we can set up a time, and I'll help you get started. I'm out here to help people. So that's why I'm making these videos. That's why I'm trying to get out there to help you get started. And of course, if you have the money, pay for a well-known mentor, because they're going to help you get to your spots faster. So anyways, I'm going to come forward for the last little bit here. So we've talked about investing in courses, getting information for free. I'm probably saying this in the wrong order, and now that I think about it, I am, but that doesn't matter. Now it's time to talk about experiences. So experiences are great. Most of the time, experiences are free too, which is great. You go out there and you experience things. That's learning. You go and talk to people. You go into a business, ask a business owner a question, network with people on Instagram, hop on phone calls, whatever it is. Those are just some examples of experiences. Do it. Take 10 minutes a day to do it. Take an hour. Take however long you can, and invest in yourself. So guys, invest in yourself, whether it be time, money, or experiences. Even if it's as little as 5 minutes a day, do it. You're going to better your future. You're going to be able to create your future so you can do what you want when you get older. Alright guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.